my dear brother and sisters. Today my podcast will be about our first Chief of Defence Service of India, General Bipin Rawat, an Indian military officer, was a 4-star general of Indian Army who died on 8th December 2021 in the crash of Air Force Mi-17 helicopter in Tamil Nadu, along with his wife Madhulika Rawat and 11 other personal staff. This is a very sad story for the nation as we lost our CDS. In my podcast, I will brief his early life, education and details describe his military career. General Rawat was born on 16th March 1958 in Pauri, Gharwal district in Uttarakhand. His family had been serving in the Indian Army for multiple generations. Rawat's education starts from Cambrian Hall School in Dehradun and St. Advanced School, Simla. Then he joined in National Defence Academy, Khaduswal, and the Military Academy, Dehradun, where he was awarded Sword of Honor. That means from the beginning of his student life, he seems to be very talented. Sri Rawat became a graduate of the Defence Staff of College, Wellington, and the Higher Command course at the United States Army Command and General Staff College. From his tenure at the Defence Service Staff College, he obtained MPhil degree in Defence Studies as well as Diploma in Management and Computer Studies from the University of Madras. In 2011, he was awarded Honorary Doctorate by CCS University, Meerut, for his research on military strategic studies. From the above things, I can tell that General Rawat was really highly qualified and brilliant. As a limited period, he obtained so many degrees including computer education. Now I will speak on his military career. First, Rawat was commissioned into the 5th Battalion of 11 Gurkha Rifles on 16th December 1978. He commanded a company in Uri, Jammu and Kashmir as a major. As a colonel, he commanded his battalion, the 5th Battalion, 11 Gurkha Rifles, in the line of actual control. Promoted to the rank of brigadier and commanded 5 sectors of Rashtriya Rifles. He was twice awarded the Force Commander's Recommendation. After promotion to Major General, Rawat took over the General Officer commanding 19th Infantry Division, Uri. As a Lieutenant General, he took over the charge of Southern Army in Pune. He also held so many assignments which included lecture in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, General Staff Officers, Grade 2 at the Military Operation Directorate, Logistic. Then, after being promoted to the Army Commander grade, Rawat assumed the post of General Officer Commanding in Chief, Southern Command on 1st January 1916. After a short while, he assumed the post of Vice Chief of Army Staff on 1st September 2016. On 17th December 2016, the Government of India appointed him as 27th Chief of Army Staff, superseding 2 more senior Lieutenant Generals. He took the charge of Office of the Chief of Army Staff on 31st December 2016 after the retirement of General Dalbir Singh Suhag. As a Chief of Army Staff of Indian Army, he visited Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar Kazakhstan, Sri Lanka, Russia, Vietnam, Tanzania, Kenya. In 2019, he visited United States of America. In every country, he held bilateral meetings with all the chiefs of defense staff. In some country, he held meeting with President, Prime Minister and Defense Minister also. General Bipin Rawat was key man coordinating with almost all neighboring countries. During his 43 years of career, he was awarded for gallantry and distinguished services with the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vasisht Seva Medal, Yudh Seva Medal, Sena Medal and Vasisht Seva Medal. Really, I will only speak India is proud of Sri Bipin Rawat. Then Government of India appointed him as a first Chief of Defence Services, that means Tri-Services, from 31st December 2019 to 8th December 2021. CDS is the highest senior-most ranking uniformed officer in Indian Army. But on 8th December 2021, CDS Rawat, his wife and other senior officers were on its way from Sulur Air Force Base to the Defence Staff College, Wellington, where he was to deliver a lecture. But unfortunately, the helicopter crashed in Kannur, Tamil Nadu, approximately 10 kilometers from its destination. Rawat's death and his wife with 11 others were confirmed death by the Indian Air Force. Rawat's liaison officer was solo survivor but in serious injury condition. Rawat was 63 years at the time of death. An inquiry has been ordered to ascertain the cause of crash. The whole country was stunned to hear the sudden demise of General Bipin Rawat, CDS, by an helicopter accident. This is a sad day for the whole nation as we lost our first CDS. He was a bravest soldier who has served the nation with utmost devotion. As per our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he was a true patriot and greatly contributed to modernizing our armed forces, which is very, very important jobs for the safety and security of our country. His insight, perspectives on strategic matters were exceptional. All the 13 bodies are being brought by an Indian Air Force transport aircraft from Suttar Air Base to Delhi Airport. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, MOS Defence Ajay Bhatt, NSA Ajit Dopal and other so many VIPs paid tribute to CDS General Bipin Rawat, his wife and other 11 personnel at Palam Airport. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is briefing in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha regarding the said incident. Tributes have been pouring in from all over the world for India's first Chief of Defence Staff. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will call on President Ramnath Kovind to apprise him about chopper crash. From this, I am to tell that for CDS General Bipin Rawat, the whole government became disturbed. All the top leaders, starting from President and many others, all chief ministers of all the states are giving condolences on the death of CDS General Bipin Rawat. Even US Secretary of State Antony Blinken and Defence Secretary Lord Austin mourned on the demise of India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. We will remember General Bipin Rawat as an exceptional leader who served his country and contributed a lot to the US-India defense relationship. Defense Secretary Austin said General Rawat left a remarkable work of the US-India defense partnership and was at the center of the Indian Armed Forces transformation. Really, Bipin Rawat is an aspiration to all Indian Armed Forces, and his contribution cannot be forgotten. Armed Forces and all the Indians. India was proud of CDS General Bipin Rawat and the best wishes by all the Indians that his soul get peace. We will never forget you for your achievement. As per tradition, CDS was accorded a 17-gun salute in line with protocol with full military respect. Citizens were seen with slogan "जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा, बिपिन जी का नाम रहेगा." Ambassador of so many countries, France, USA, British High Commissioner attended military funeral. Top military commanders of Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh also joined in CDS in its final journey. Really a true patriot, Bipin Rawat, Amar Rahe. If you like my podcast, do follow me on Spotify or any other platform you are listening to me. If you are watching my podcast on YouTube, please like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Retired Engineer J.C. Patra. Namaskar.